we have now how to determine oxidation and oxidizing agent. Determine oxidation, reduction, then oxidizing agent and reducing agent in a chemical reaction. Okay, so this is also a very important concept. Let me consider strontium Sr combines with oxygen on oxidation, it gives SRO. So first of all, let us test whether it is oxidation or reduction. Sr, let us determine the oxidation state. What is the oxidation state of a natural element? 0. And what about this? This is also 0. And here for oxygen -2, for Sr +2. Okay. Now Sr becomes here +2 and O2 becomes -2. That is 0 becomes -2. In this case Sr0 becomes a Sr +2. It means the 0 becomes a +2 means whether there is an increase in the electron or decrease in the electron. So the best way is to go by the oxidation number. If there is an increase in oxidation number, bluntly you can say it is oxidation. If there is a decrease in oxidation number, for example 0 becomes -2 means reduction. Now you can work out based on the number of electrons. So 0 becomes a +2 by losing the electron. How it has lost? Sr0 becomes Sr +2 by removing 2 electrons, and that is why it is oxidation. Clear? Let us talk about reduction. In the case of reduction, that is O2, that is 0 becomes O -2. Is it not? That is SRO -2. I am targeting only -2 in this case. So O2 becomes a -2. It means a 0 has become what? -2 by adding 2 electrons. Am I right? By adding 2 electrons, and that's why it has become -2. Got this point? So now this has undergone oxidation and this has undergone reduction. Are you able to follow? You must note one important aspect, that is oxidizing agent. Take down oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. Okay, undergoes reduction as an opposite process. Similarly, reducing agent undergoes oxidation, just opposite. Do you know why? For example, let me consider that is this has undergone oxidation and this has undergone reduction. It means oxygen, it supplies oxygen, is it not? And that is why there is a loss to that. So it undergoes reduction. Is it clear? In terms of oxygen. Whereas here, this one undergoes oxidation. Here, this is being, that is oxidation being an oxidizer, and oxygen, it is capable of delivering oxygen. So it undergoes reduction. Whereas in this case, it accepts the oxygen. Okay, so it undergoes what? Oxidation. Are you able to follow? Right. So now we are able to indicate the oxidizing agent. So which is the oxidizing agent here? The one which undergoes reduction. So oxygen is oxidizing agent. So O2 is oxidizing agent. Are you able to follow? And SR is reducing agent. Okay, so reducing agent undergoes oxidation. So SR is a reducing agent that undergoes oxidation. Is it clear? And what about this? Oxygen being oxidizing agent that undergoes reduction because of loss of oxygen. Got this point? Okay, so can you answer this question? Take down. Lithium. Try this. Lithium plus S gives Li. These are all unbalanced reactions. Based on that, you have to do. We are going to balance later. Lithium combines with the sulfur to give lithium sulfide. Now identify the oxidation and reduction, and oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Try. So in this case, lithium, it has got 0 oxidation state, that becomes +1 here. Okay. So 0 becomes a +1 means there is an increase in oxidation number. Put immediately oxidation. And this is the reducing agent. That's all. Okay. Once you fixed this, the other one can be the opposite one. So what about sulfur? It is 0. And here it is -2. So it has accepted electron. Is it not? Are you able to follow? So you must be able to interpret in terms of electron also. Can you do? And what has happened here? Sulfur and usually addition of electron. Now listen to me. Addition of electron is represented by upward arrow. Take down in a redox reaction, balancing of redox reactions. This represents addition of electron. Upward arrow, addition of electron. And this is drop in electron, that is removal of electron. Drop of electron, that is removal of electron. It means addition of electron means, and this one is reduction. It is represented by H. Reduction is represented by H. And this one, drop in electron means addition of oxygen. So this is represented by O. Is it clear? So simply put, H means reduction. Now you can interpret in terms of what? Oxidation reduction also. So this is reducing agent and this must be oxidizing agent. Are you able to follow? Agent that undergoes reduction. Is it clear? By how many electron? How many electron? Whether it is adding of electron or removal of electron? By adding of electron. How many electron? 2 electron. And what about this? Lithium, there is a drop of electron and that is why it has become +1. So 1 electron. So we have indicated electron also. Clear? So can you proceed? I will let you know the other one. Take down. Cesium plus Br2 becomes CsBr. These are all unbalanced equations. So you have to interpret the proper reducing, oxidizing agents and reduction, oxidation, and also number of electrons transferred. Try this. Fourth one, magnesium plus N2. That becomes Mg3N2. Fifth one, Fe plus O2 gives Fe2O3, 6,1. Cl2 plus NaBr gives NaCl plus Br2. Okay. Seventh one, Si plus F2 gives SiF4. Eighth one, magnesium plus hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid HCl gives MgCl2 plus hydrogen. 9. Sodium that reacts with water to become NaOH plus H2. So try to determine the oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, number of electrons transferred in the reactions.